Hey, my friends, do you sometimes get confused between some and any? Let me explain it in a simple way. Dear students, we use some in positive sentences. For example, I have some water. It means I have a little, not too much, not zero. And we use any in negative sentences. For example, I don't have any water. It means zero, nothing at all. And in questions, we usually use any too. For example, do you have any water? But sometimes we use some in polite offers or requests. For example, would you like some tea? Summary, my friends. Some positive and polite offers, any negative and questions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English lessons. Thanks.